Taizhou Feiyi Pump Company Limited was established in 2003 and is located in Dashi Town, Wenli, Zhejiang Province, the hometown of Chinese water pumps. The company has more than 3,000 models of water pump products, including lead pump, submersible pump, deep well pump, and solar pump. It is a production and sales enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, production, processing, and sales. The company has a strong professional technical R&D team. At the same time, the company also has an experienced quality inspection team. Domestic advanced equipment such as fully automatic paint spray machines, fully automatic stator sheet production machines, and fully automatic rotor processing lines are the basis of the company's high-quality products over the years. The company spends more than $1 million each year on machine maintenance and upgrades to ensure that it can provide customers with the best product experience. The quality inspection team with 15 years of senior work experience strictly controls the testing process of each batch of products. This ensures that after 3 quality inspections, customers will receive the most satisfactory products. For many years, the company has been committed to providing FLY brand high-quality water pump products to thousands of households in the world. Made in China and going global, Taizhou Feiyi Pump Company Limited will do its best to provide products and services and move forward and develop together with every partner